What's up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Inspirational Acts, where we set out to help others.
And in the process, try to inspire others to do the same. My name is Devin, and this is Con.
Alright, so we're out here in Austin, Texas, and as you guys probably know, Hurricane Harvey just came through. And we're about to head to Walmart, and we're going to pick up some supplies. We posted on Facebook about who we can help, and some people actually responded and said they're going to do the same thing. So we're actually going to go up and meet up with them after we go to Walmart.
Yeah, we're going to go to Walmart, pick up some stuff. Underwear, clothes, toiletries, and we're gonna meet up with this lady. Her name is Lisa. Her friend, and her daughters are all packing stuff up and taking it down to Houston, which was like hit very hard, and it was where most of the damage is, aside from Corpus Christi. And we're gonna take a bunch of stuff down to them, meet up with them, and then after that, we're gonna go buy some pet supplies and bring that to Pets Alive in Austin, because there's a lot of pets that have been displaced because of the storm. Holy crap, it's windy. Hi, what's your name?
Marcia Clark.
Marcia?
Yes.
Okay.
Not the attorney, the other one.
Oh.
Everybody goes, wait, that's familiar.
Oh, yeah?
You might be too young for that.
Yeah, probably.
So awesome. So what are you guys doing?
We have a YouTube channel. It's called Inspirational Acts. And basically what we do is we do nice things and try to inspire people our age and younger to do the same kind of stuff.
Pay it forward?
Yeah, pay it forward and lend a helping hand. So,
Awesome.
are you the only car that's here to bring stuff?
Yeah, Lisa is going to be coming, and then people that are bringing stuff to us
Okay.
should be showing
Because
up.
we got a lot of stuff.
Oh, that's right. She told me.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have quite a bit.
We'll have at least 3 cars.
is that this
We should
awesome
have
came
this
together as a
we have
community.
called
You know, we all came together. These are all just individual pieces of people that
that's
come
a whole
together.
nother
Right.
You know, they want it so bad.
Well,
And
there's
we
like
have
yoga
over
every morning
50,
or whatever
60
it's
people
called,
who want to
but
come
not
and
yoga, it's the
volunteer.
just
We've had
exercises
over
and that.
100 people that have responded to this
Right.
for days and days and days. It's only been 2 days that
Yeah.
we've collected. This
There's
is
multiple cars. That was crazy how many people showed up.
But how many people showed up yesterday too? We had tons of people yesterday, and we had tons of people at my house. I mean,
So what are we discussing?
no, we were
I'm
just
sorry, I missed
talking.
it. Oh.
We were
Yeah.
just talking.
I just wanted to thank you guys for and give you guys
that's nice.
your credit on our video.
Oh, that's nice.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah,
Tell
come
us
here.
what to do.
You have to stand here.
Everybody,
Get
yeah.
in the frame.
Yep.
And Angelica Pickles.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is Lisa. And this is
Hi.
Teresa.
Hi.
And this is Marcia. And they all put together, I guess, like a fundraiser, you call it, right?
Set up an area for everyone in the community to donate to.
We just want to thank you guys for what you guys did. That's pretty much
Thank
all we
you.
want to do. And is there a specific Facebook page that we can shout you guys out on?
Or
So
what
Lisa,
Just
where
so
did you
people can come look at
advertise
it and see what
See
happened.
how easy it was.
Yeah.
So one of the ads that we put was on Westlake Luxury Swap and Lakeway Luxury Swap,
Okay.
and then Lakeway Swap and Westlake Swap.
Right.
And so we put the information out there, and people in the community responded so incredibly generously. I think we're all
Stunned.
Yeah, I was amazed at how many people. There's like a lot
Yeah, I
of
was
cars.
surprised. I was
Yeah.
surprised at the fact that we filled up this many cars.
Right.
Yeah.
And yesterday, we just put it on Sunday, and yesterday it was packed. We were packed with stuff, and my home is packed with stuff, and
Yep.
Marcia's home is packed. And maybe I'm not really surprised actually, because I think people
are looking for a way
are
to
good.
help.
People are really, really good. But most people are just happy and good, and they want to help other people.
And how
you know?
are you going to organize all this stuff? What are you guys doing exactly?
So number one is that we're collecting. And so we are concentrating 100% on collecting items that are needed. So Pampers, underwear, socks, clothing, beds. The second phase will be to sort. To sort and identify exactly what we have and catalog what we have. And then the third phase is to get all of this merchandise and all of these things to the people who really need them. So this organization might really need shampoo, while this other organization really needs diapers, and there might be individual families who need to reclothe their entire house. Reclothe if you're clothing a family of 5, that's thousands of dollars.
Right.
So they can walk in and be able to just get clothes for themselves. So we're kind of trying to be everything to
Yeah.
everybody,
Well,
right?
thank you guys so much for doing it. It's awesome.
No,
Thank you for featuring it. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
thank you guys. I mean, for 2 young, handsome guys thinking what? About doing good deeds? That's awesome.
That's what it's all
It is.
about.
Yeah.
And it was
You're the
easy
right kind
too.
of kids.
It was
It's
easy
something
too.
so simple.
Yeah.
And that's the whole idea
And
of the channel.
it's what everybody can do. That's what we're trying to show people is that it's easy to come together and
Like
do
you
nice
said
things.
earlier, especially with social media.
Right, with
You know,
social
it's
media,
just
it's
boom,
easy to
it's
reach out
there.
to people. Right.
Or
Right.
post on Facebook, but all these people here, you know, and
Yeah.
the other social media sites.
These were
Yeah.
just posts on Facebook.
Yep.
That was it.
Yeah.
Just post on Facebook.
That's
Oh,
insane.
thank you guys again.
Okay, thank you.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you very
Thank
much.
you.